not a game, it's a rich thing.
Ladies and gentlemen, today is an exciting day as we dive into the world of Oppo K11 with an unboxing video. I'm thrilled to share this experience with you and showcase the remarkable features of this cutting-edge smartphone. So without further ado, let's get started. Inside the box, we've got the Oppo K11 nestled safely. As we lift it out, we are greeted by its stunning display. The vibrant and immersive AMOLED screen captivates our attention instantly. The Oppo K11 boasts a 6.5-inch display with a pixel density that ensures crisp and vivid images. Whether you're watching movies, playing games, or scrolling through social media, this device offers an exceptional visual experience. With its slim body and premium finish, the Oppo K11 is a sight to behold. The seamless combination of glass and metal creates a classy and sophisticated look. While it's visually appealing, it also feels comfortable to hold. Now let's talk about the camera performance. The Oppo K11 packs an impressive dual camera setup consisting of a 64-megapixel main camera and a 16-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens. With these lenses, you can capture stunning photos and shoot immersive videos effortlessly. Here we have the Oppo K11's AI scene recognition. It intelligently detects the scene you're shooting and optimizes the settings to ensure you get the best possible results every time. And don't worry, selfie enthusiasts, the Oppo K11 didn't forget about you. With its high-resolution front camera and beautification features, you can take flawless selfies that are ready to share with the world. Let's now delve into the software experience. The Oppo K11 runs on the latest version of ColorOS, providing a clean and user-friendly interface. Additionally, the device is equipped with a powerful processor, ensuring smooth multitasking and fast app loading. Whether you're a gamer, a binge watcher, or a social media enthusiast, the Oppo K11 has got you covered. With its ample storage capacity and long-lasting battery life, you can enjoy uninterrupted entertainment throughout the day. Thank you for joining me on this unboxing adventure of the Oppo K11. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay up to date with the latest tech reviews, be sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Until next time, stay curious.